I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Voltage, your one-stop shop for enterprise-grade infrastructure for the Lightning Network. You can spin up your own Lightning node, your own BTC Pay server, or get inbound liquidity with their Flow product. Check them out now at voltage.cloud and get up and running in minutes.
The benefit of Bitcoin becomes apparent to people when they need to use it. It's all rah to hear about it from your buddy in the office, but when it becomes like the only form of money that you can transact in for some reason or another, then or a better form of money that you can transact in without restrictions or without rules, then I think the light starts to come on for people, like where we had the situation with the Canadian truckers where, like that was like a funding mechanism for them. Or I even had personally a situation where I was helping a company and they had a programmer in Russia that they were working with during the recent whatever you call that war that's going on over there. And when the banking system got cut off, their relationship with the employee that they had was actually super difficult. Like they couldn't pay his salary. And I was like, well, yeah, what we could do is probably pay your guy in Bitcoin. And so they suggested it to him and he said yes. And like they were like, okay, cool. How do we get Bitcoin? And so that was a relatively easy walk from here to there, because all of a sudden this company that would have never ever needed that, all of a sudden was not that they wanted to use it, they had to use it. So these type of situations I think are going to be brought about by that same collapse that Chris was talking about, where through no fault of that company's own, they were exposed to a need to use Bitcoin because it just is better money.